You put our video in the timeline and we create an adjustment layer. We put the adjustment layer on 2 videos and we cut the time transition as long or as short as we want. Go to the Effects section and right-click on the preset folder and add the transition preset file. Select the desired effect and add an adjustment layer to the 2 parts. Let's see another example of this transition. You can download this preset from the link in the description. To learn Premiere Pro and Photoshop, be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video.